Okay, hi, I'm Philip and this is Dev Pieces. Today we are going to have a look at Headless Chrome. Here we have some article written by Eric Biddleman that describes this feature, and I thought that we might just skim it through together and see what is it all about. So let's just start. TLDR, Headless Chrome is shipping in Chrome 59. It's a way to run a Chrome browser in headless environment, essentially running Chrome without Chrome. It brings all modern web platform features provided by Chromium and the Blink rendering engine to the command line. So what they are saying that they provided us a tool that may be very useful for testing, that for something that we used something called phantomJS. So for those that are unfamiliar, phantomJS is a headless WebKit scriptable with JavaScript API. So it was used mostly for testing front ends, and as far as I remember, it is mostly combined with Karma, which is a test runner. Yeah, so today we will have a look at Headless Chrome, something that may be better than the phantomJS. Maybe, I don't know yet. So let's just skim it through this article and see what we will be given. Okay, so to use headless environment we need to put a headless parameter. Okay. As I can see, they are using Chrome command, which is maybe used in Windows or Mac OS, but I'm using Ubuntu. And for those that may be curious where your Ubuntu in your Ubuntu Chrome is installed, you just need to type which command, Google Chrome. And it will show you that your installation of Google Chrome is stored in user bin. Okay, so let's just go back to the headless stuff. So we need to use Google Chrome with headless parameter and with disable GPU temporarily needed for now. Okay, so let's type it. Disable GPU, some remote debugging stuff, and at the last we need to type the site that we want to load. So let's just type Google.com. Okay, and what will happen? It seems that nothing happened because it just loaded this site and nothing else. So what else this headless stuff can do? But actually I am very curious if we can use it without the disable GPU parameter. And go. Oop. There are a bunch of errors, mostly about GPU, so this GPU hack might be useful here, and we can't get rid of it, so it needs to stay. Okay, next. If you are blah 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 Chrome, I recommend use Chrome Canary. Okay, so this stuff looks like Mac OS connected thing, so as long as you are Ubuntu user, you don't need to look at this. Okay, so Chrome Canary, as far as I know, Chrome Canary is not available for Linux. And something I didn't check. Chrome version. Yeah, as I thought. This version 59 is not really available for Linux at all. But it seems that this 57 is working as well. Let's just see. Headless Chrome Linux. Yeah, I checked that before. Yeah, so in this article on the Adi Osmani GitHub, we can see that the headless stuff was available for us since this 57 version. So in this article saying that it from 59 what Headless Chrome is shipping, it's not actually true, but it seems that 57 wasn't available for other operating systems, only on Linux. And actually, before I run this video, I've downloaded the most recent version for Linux, and it is 57. So it seems that Headless is working as well for 57. Okay, so what can we do with Headless? Printing DOM. Okay, let's try it. Headless space dump DOM. Okay, so it seems that it is showing us the body part of the site. Okay, so it seems very straightforward. We want the dump of the DOM, and it is giving us exactly this. So okay, so we can create a PDF. So let's try it as well, but this time also with the disable GPU param, because I omitted it before. Headless dump DOM disable GPU, but we don't need the dump DOM, and we need to print to PDF. Okay, it's thinking, and it did nothing. Let's see. Yeah, nothing here. Nothing here really. Okay, so let's go. Let's sum up what we did here. We can print DOM, which essentially prints all the stuff that is written in the body section of the site, and we can create a PDF, but it doesn't seem to work. Maybe it is connected to this earlier version. I will ask some people with Mac OSs and maybe write a comment under this video if this particular feature is working as well. Okay, so taking screenshots, we can with param screenshot. So let's just erase the print to PDF and type screenshot, and let's see if we are able to. Okay, so screenshot written to file screenshot.png, and let's see if that's actually the case. Let's see what is here. Yep, looks like a screenshot to me. Okay, so that seems to be working, and it's creating screenshots, and that is something that will be useful for testing. So we are getting something that's valuable. Okay, so REPL mode, read eval print loop. Yeah, so exactly something that like in nodeJS or Python or C# most recently. Okay, let's try it. So Chrome headless disable GPU REPL. So let's just erase the screenshot and type REPL, and whoa! I don't think that this should happen here. Okay, let's try it again. Whoa! Okay, so this seems to be not working as well. So again, we are not using the 59 version, only the 57. So maybe this stuff will be taken care of in the latest version. But this latest version is not available for Linux. So we are using what we've got. Okay. So debugging Chrome without a browser. Okay, so this is some paragraph about the remote debugging. So let's just try it here. So instead of REPL, we will type remote debugging port equals 9222. And this is something that we were using previously, so especially for remote debugging of by using the Sublime or VS Code or nodeJS for nodeJS. So this is something that we were using previously, so let's see if it is working with Headless Chrome as well. So let's just remotely debug the Google.com site. Okay, so localhost 9222, and as you can see, we are able to remotely debug the Google site. Yeah, so this is very, very fun, because as you can see, this is something that looked very similar to the developer tools in Chrome, but you can use developer tools with the developer tools that are debugging the remote site. Okay, but jokes aside, I'm very curious if we can use it with another browser, and this is something that I've already checked for the different project, and I can already tell you that it will not work with another browser. So if you, for example, were to use Firefox for this and go here, we would have just a blank site. So it is not it is working only for Chrome, the remote debugging thing. Okay, so we can remotely debug, and we can use headless with nodeJS, and I think this is something that we will take care of next time. So tomorrow you can expect, or maybe in 2 days, you can expect another video with the programmatically used Headless Chrome. For today it's everything. I very thank you for watching, and see you next time.